Vector form of Coulomb's law. Vector form of Coulomb's law. We know that the force acting between two charges kept in air at a distance r is given by F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. So this is the scalar form of the Coulomb's law. Now to obtain the formula in the vector form, let us suppose that the force applied by charge q1 to q2 is F21. Then F21 is given by F21, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square r21, where r21 is the unit vector in the direction of F21. Similarly, the force acting on charge q2 due to charge q1 is given by F12. So F12 is given by F12, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square r12 cap, where r12 cap is the unit vector in the direction of F12. From the figure, it is clear that r21 cap, this is equal to minus r12 cap, because these are unit vector and their direction is opposite. बच्चे ये भी पूछते हैं कि यार नेगेटिव साइन क्यों आ गया. नेगेटिव साइन का रीजन है कि इट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ r21 एंड r12 आर opposite to each other. Now if we put the value of r21 in equation 1, then we get F21 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square minus r12 cap, this is equal to minus F12. Therefore we can say that the vector form of Coulomb's law follow the Newton's third law of motion, because these two forces are equal and negative sign shows that their direction are opposite. So जितना फोर्स q1 q2 पर अप्लाई करेगा उतना ही q2 चार्ज q1 चार्ज पर फोर्स अप्लाई करेगा. These two forces are equal and opposite to each other. Now one question is arises, what is the importance of Coulomb's law in vector form? So importance of Coulomb's law in vector form is number 1. In vector form, Coulomb's law gives the direction of force. Coulomb's law फोर्स की डायरेक्शन बताता है वेक्टर फॉर्म में, फोर्स की डायरेक्शन बताता है. सेकेंड, ये Coulomb's law ये बताता है, Coulomb's law gives that it follow the Newton's third law of motion. F21 is equal to minus F12. So in vector form, Coulomb's law follow the Newton's third law of motion. Next, the force acting between the line joining the two charges, therefore this is the central force. So importance of Coulomb's law in vector form is that it gives the direction of force, it follow the Newton's third law, and it is the central force because it is acting between the line joining the two charges.